If me bust me rifle, no girl no come back. As you tag me fast, you know see me go answer. Think me afraid for say are you are who? You can't talk for me afraid. You wanna no guns tight pussy girl no fight over man. But you will get a wrong bang if you play with it and back road girl I never you me a chat. If the cap fit you feel wear it that.
Would make a waste boy chat me with no picnic that are you. Go and go find your mama be cool fi jump through. Grow the fuck up and argue with your age group. You is a man clown and that is sad truth. You say him cocky small and him is a mama's boy. Little bitch move on, you must be Lulu. Your body whole name land and dead. Your mouth fuck out, that's why the man left.
Nothing of the blood clot palace for nobody.
Not to Jada.
Jada fuck man, Jada fuck woman, Jada fuck child, Jada fuck rat, cat and dog fuck Jada kingdom.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greatness, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and line. I speak up on myself, me. Yes, I say, all up I love you know. Big up all Jamaicans, that's it. And over there, at the man of peace, Lionfoot, I am American. You know, say give thanks to life every time straight. So I say, right now, the internet mash up right now, Jada Kingdom and Stefflon and at it. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, so. It don't look good. In my view, it don't look good. Them for just squash it here, man. Better than squash it and love it because it get personal and deep and disrespect about mothers and like, you know? For two women that war over a man, well, it don't look good. And that's just my view of it. But anyway, don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. It's now 11:35 in the morning. I'm there, I blend up some green juice. You see what I say? Some green juice. Go and check out my single, Please and Thanks. Happiest Man and the EP, Welcome to Kingston. I'm going to a quick flashback.
Fucking you is something that I like to do. You are the glue, and no lie me, I tell you what true. Welcome to Kingston, welcome to Jamaica, welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Lamobel, you must take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go.
Yes, man, Zen, it's out there, we are putting in the work, you know. Zen, we are putting in the work, all up music out there, Zen. Cool front, all up a song out there, but big up all of my fans, you see me? Musically and on the YouTube channel, you see me? You know, we have vlog on the go, you see me? And we have vlog just to help bolster the music career and stay relevant and stay away from depression and all of them things, you see me? Depression is real, and if you go through it, reach out to me. Find somebody to talk to where you can confide in. And everybody, if you tell your business, stop tell people your business, because none of them don't mean you're no good. There, J Baba. Yeah, true that, yeah. Anyway, there I've been some green juice, you know, I'm showing you what I go on. Green juice, you see me? Spinach. Blend up on, you know what I mean? Apple, pear, and cucumber and spinach. No sugar. Everything green. You see me? Lime, you know? Yeah, man, so there. Go up on the school run this morning and thing, and when you them go to school, coming back, do a couple sit-ups and push-ups and, you know what I mean? I cook some food, so when them come home, me gonna work. See, come have to go up on the work, you know. When them forwarding, me gonna work, so some stew chicken me there. Jeez! Steam fully fly out of the kitchen. Big one brother real scale. You see me? Yeah man, some stew chicken, you know. Is it? Yes man, my viewers and subscribers, man, give thanks to life, health and strength. Give thanks for the little that you have, you know. Yes man, gravy a thick up, you know, you see me? Everybody can cook in the butter and everybody can cook. Some people when I cook all stew chicken and water, long gravy have to thick. Eh? And when I put granules and them things that our gravy, we make our own gravy with Irish and carrot. You see me? Some people put things where we make cornstarch and them things. We don't use them things there. That's it. Yeah man, so Jada Kingdom soon gone on the work, you know. But I don't know me as an outspoken brother, my life is speak my mind. Me say equality, diversity, equity, unity, strength, love. Big up Mama London, Zane, Stefflon mother. I met her, a nice lady. You see what I say? And, you know, yeah man, me and Stefflon and communicate. You see me? On the net, not personally. You see it? Yeah man, rate her. Jada Kingdom rate her. Same way too, you see it? Yeah man, but me, you know me speak my mind and sometimes we talk people may feel like, you see me? Yeah, but sometimes the truth hurts. I'm going to deal with truth and rights. You see me I say? Positivity and sense out of nonsense. And every time I hear people chat fuck me if you agree with them. You see me, sometimes you should be able and allowed to speak your mind and start the truth. This is why sometimes we see people led astray and people get caught up in a crime and violence because we sit and watch and don't say nothing. You see me? But anyway, yeah. Zane, come see me do a review on you know the whole Niger boy situation, and see some people are coming to say me so I take up for fish and them thing there. Me don't know nothing about the man lifestyle. I me don't know him neither. You see me? So how you have to judge? You see it? But anyway, that vlog here about Stefflon and Jada Kingdom. So we see the beef kick off and the dirty money rhythm and thing, and you know them Jada drop a song, Stefflon drop a song, Jada respond. You see it? And me personally, I met the whole thing. I know some I do a review on the clash, but I don't do a review on the clash, you know. I just say them for I better it squash. My view better than squash it because people only love the gossip and want to hear people business and mix up, and a lot of things has been said. We don't know if it's true or a lie. And you know when Jada Kingdom was saying in her song, we don't know if it's true or a lie. Where she said Burna boy tell her the things about Stefflon. And if it is true, Burna boy is deemed and seen as a waste man to me. If it is true, if him said that those things to her, you know. As a man and as a gallus, you have to know for real when it comes to woman thing. And everything you tell woman, you see me? And everything you tell your next woman or your real woman or your girl on the side, you have to respect both parties. You see me? Some man say them are gallus, but them don't have a clue. You see me? So if we're Jada Kingdom saying that song are true, why if you burn that boy? I'm sure they never go so deep and not tell our next girl all those bedroom and privacy stuff about his next partner. I remember say Stefflon was before Jada Kingdom. Zine. So Burna boy and Jada Stefflon had a relationship, and you know for whatever reason it never work out. Maybe Stefflon want to settle and Burna boy want to settle because my gallus. Because I see him do an interview in Africa about a couple years ago, and him say, yo, you can't settle long, you know. King, Africa have many wives. And him talk it brave and bold for the interview, and he got a lot of bash for it. But he might be himself. Nothing wrong with being yourself. You see me? You know, you see me, but a girl is from birth. A long time I take off girl blouse and skirt. You see me? So, yeah man. So Burna boy don't want to settle, so him get piece of Jada Kingdom. You know, and for whatever reason, him sing all the songs of Jada Kingdom. Good and whole good and them sitting and she get a whole of a praise. Now Stefflon must feel away in herself when she hear a song there. Because when me hear the song, I say, I wonder how Stefflon feel, but them did break up or separated or what. You see it? So, you know, Burna boy have fun and him young and him want to run through a million girl. You see me? Him talk it himself. Now, Jada Kingdom, as a female, she must have more morals about herself. Yeah. Jada Kingdom for have more respect and moral about herself. So she not care. We see her allegedly say she sleep with man and woman. And she not hide, you know, she not hide her thing them, and she come up on a video where they come talk say, yeah. She admits that she sleep with Burna boy. And oh, I know one man, I know one woman man, or everybody man. She admit, me never read the talk there where she come out and say everybody man. So what? Yeah, she admits that she name did inner things and and then a one woman man and everybody man. So I don't know if shine him. You see me? I never rate that target as a woman, you know. Now you're involved with an American brother, and, you know, Megan Thee Stallion X, you see it, and them thing there. I feel Jada King carry herself more better and more respected, but she talented and yeah, she look good and everything, and but me, she must carry herself better, more morally, yeah, respect yourself morally and more, you know. So the war between she and Stefflon and no, me not like it. Me like it, you know, but me not like it, cause people just want the media, everybody just want in everybody business. You see me? I see a lot of people that take up for Jada Kingdom, even some British girl over here take up for Jada Kingdom. We know say it'll come from because them not like Stefflon. Them are wait on this moment. Some of the British girls them over here. You see me? Waiting for this moment so them can tear down Stefflon. Because remember the music business, dancehall is a vulture culture, you know. When you're in it, you have to be strong. Because once you get that break or that shine, the world will come at you. People want to tear you down, want to bring you down, you know, want to see you crash, want to see you flop. Not everybody's going to happy for you because dancehall is a culture vulture, both for the female and for the man them. You see me? Yeah man, so me just say, you know what I mean? If Burna boy really do that, why for him, you know? Can't do them things as a G, you see me? You sleep with one woman and you go to the next woman, as well and call it pillar talk. You see me? Go to the next woman and I tell her, be things all about the stepson, you don't want to be a stepdad and them things there. If that is true, a race man thought that nothing wrong with being a stepdad. You see me? Nothing is wrong with being a stepfather. Be a pivotal role in that youth life. You could be a role model to that boy or little girl, you know? That's how me see it. You see me? But as me say, and everybody pre-life same way, everybody pre-life different, you see me? Yeah man, but me not judge, I me not accuse, but me I say, what Jada Kingdom said, if what she said is true, Burna boy go low. And enough woman not gonna respect him for that. Enough man not gonna respect him too, because I can't sleep with one girl and I go to the next girl and I tell her things about number one girl, or I tell number one girl things about number two girl. You have to respect the main girl and the other girl on the side. Or if a 3, 4, 5 of them, respect them same way. They give nobody nothing to talk over nobody, you see me? Yeah man, especially privacy, bedroom stuff and all of them things there, is it? Viewers and subscribers, that's just my view. Let me know what y'all think, you know what I mean? Yeah man, Jada Kingdom said the war end, and I think of the right thing she do. You see me? And maybe her man tell her I say love it, is it? I don't know, but that's just my view. Let me know what y'all think. Saying, you know the man of peace. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. Why so we keep it real on the battlefield, you know? Yes man, only Emmanuel I Selassie, you see me? Yes it. Love we say. Unity, strength, freedom of speech. Speak my mind and opinion, and we are open to criticism. You see me? But one thing we know, you know, ism and schism. Is it? Blessed love. Bullshit.
Kingston was the hottest event. Up on Monday, Tuesday, boom boom I represent. Can't tire the dancer, check in and present. Everyone I enjoy themselves 100%.